We all love our Henry Hoover, but let's face it, there's one area in the house that we all dread vacuuming. It's the stairs. He's big, heavy and awkward to carry up and down. Today I'm going to show you a hose that I use to vacuum the stairs, which means I can just leave Henry exactly where he is at the bottom. Also, please stick around because if you do vacuum your stairs with Henry, I have the #1 safety rule that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. Greetings from the top of my stairs. Henry is down at the bottom, he's not moved a muscle. I've used his extension hose. Now this is a hose that's double-ended and it's there to attach to your existing hose. You don't need to keep unscrewing your existing hose. You just plug this in when you need it, if you're doing the stairs or the car, and then when you're done with it, you can just remove it from your hose and you can just carry on vacuuming with no need to stop. If you have any questions about the hose, please put them in the comments below. If you're wanting to buy one, you can do so on the link in the description at henrybags.co.uk. But before I go, I do have one very important rule when you're vacuuming the stairs with Henry. Please, please, please always keep him at the bottom of the stairs. If you buy one of these hoses and you put him at the top and there's one slightest movement, he can come down on you like a ton of bricks.